Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the browser hijacking extension called Minimalist Search. Minimalist Search is a browser hijacking extension attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This browser hijacker changes the default search engine and other settings without asking the user's permission. So if it was somehow installed to your computer, you need to get rid of this unwanted extension. Access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then remove this Minimalist Search from the list. Finally, I recommend you to additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green Download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly still remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.